Organized libraries save designers time, and building your own pattern swatches ensures instant access to reusable visuals. How to create custom pattern swatches. Launch Photoshop and create a new document around 1600 pixels square so your pattern tile remains manageable. Design your element using the Shape or Brush tool and place it in the center, then duplicate it across the canvas while holding Shift so alignment stays straight. Use guides to maintain equal spacing and group layers for easy editing. Reduce opacity briefly to inspect placement accuracy, adjusting positions with arrow keys until spacing looks uniform.